For decades, we've been told to fear fat. Low-fat everything dominated grocery store shelves, and the very thought of mixing fat with your morning coffee? That would have been unthinkable. But what if I told you that adding fat to your coffee could actually transform the way your body works, sharpening your mind, fueling your day, and even helping you stay healthier? This isn't your average health trend. It's bold, it's controversial, and it's gaining traction for a reason. People are swearing by the benefits: sustained energy without the crash, better focus, and even weight loss. Yes, weight loss from drinking fat in coffee. It sounds wild, but there's real science behind it. This idea stems from the concept of biohacking, where enthusiasts look for ways to optimize their bodies and minds. The magic happens when healthy fats, like butter or MCT oil, are blended into coffee. This creates a rich, creamy drink that doesn't just taste indulgent but also fuels your body in a completely different way. Instead of burning through sugar for energy, your body taps into fat stores, which provides a steadier, longer-lasting source of fuel. But let's dig deeper. Why does this work so well for so many people? It all comes down to ketones. When you consume healthy fats in the right way, your body produces ketones, which act as a super efficient energy source for your brain. That mental fog you get mid-morning? Gone. The shaky feeling from too much caffeine on an empty stomach? Not with this. Still, this trend isn't without its skeptics. Some people call it a gimmick, while others are convinced it's the next step in optimizing nutrition. The truth? It depends on how you use it. Adding fat to coffee isn't a magic bullet, it's a tool. But when used wisely, it could be a game changer. Could something as simple as tweaking your coffee routine revolutionize your mornings? While others are still running on sugar highs and caffeine crashes, the fat coffee drinkers are riding steady waves of energy and focus. It's a bold move, yes. But maybe bold is exactly what your routine needs. Would you try it?